Good morning, students. Today we're gonna study basic concepts in geometry. हम 7th क्लास का चैप्टर स्टार्ट करने से पहले थोड़ी चीजें रिवाइज करेंगे. So for the next 2-3 days we're gonna revise जो हमने 6th स्टैंडर्ड में ऑलरेडी पढ़ लिया है. उसके बाद में हम 7th क्लास का स्टार्ट करेंगे. So before we start, I request all of you to go get your notebook and a pen because you will need it. Giving you 10 seconds. Hurry up. Come on, let's see who does it first. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. I hope all of you are ready. Now let's begin. All right. So points. First is points. So all of these things that you see, this is a dot. इसको बस बड़ा कर दिया. This is also a point. Strawberry, अगर इसको मैं एकदम छोटा छोटा कर दूँ तो ये भी point है. In fact, अगर ये देखोगे exclamation mark, ये भी point है. So all of these things are point. Yes, point हमें clear है क्या होता है? कोई भी dot point होता है. Now, how to construct? Construct मतलब बनाना. हम point कैसे बनाते हैं? अगर मैं point बनाना है मुझे, then what do? I will just put a dot. Yeah. If I make a dot, then it will happen. If I'm making a dot like this, that's a point. I can make another point like this. Third point, fourth point, fifth point. Yeah, so there are so many points like this. Yes. Now, if I tell you कि 2 points को जो अभी भी मैंने बनाया उनको connect करना है, then आप क्या कर पाओगे? आपके दिमाग में first question आएगा कि which 2 points do I connect? ये दोनों को connect करना है कि ये दोनों को करना है, ये दोनों को करना है, इन दोनों को करना है. So confusion ना हो, that's why what we do, we name the points. हम points का name करते हैं. Points को name कैसे करते हैं? हमेशा capital letters use करते हैं. So point should always be named using capital alphabets. So I can name this as point A. Yes. Okay. So just wait 1 second. Okay, so I can name it, look, it's A. Here I can name it as B and C. Now if I tell you connect point A and B, and then you can connect point A and B like this. Yes, you can connect 2 points like this. All right, let's move forward. Now it's your job. You have to make 3 points in your notebook. Make point P, A and T. Make these 3 points quickly. You have 5 seconds. You don't need more than 5 seconds to do this. Yeah, come on. All right, you must have drawn it by now. Let's go ahead and see. So you made something like this. Now the second thing you have to do is you have to connect, you have to draw 2 points, point A and point B, and then you have to connect the 2 points. Yeah, so again I'm giving you 5 seconds. Come on, go ahead, make point A, make point B, and then connect the 2. All right then, let's see how that looks. Look, this is point A, point B, and we have connected these 2 points. Very good. Now name the points in the following image. Come on, very quickly, 2 seconds for you to name all the points. All right, so what points do we have? We have P, N, T, S, R, M. And one more point, don't forget, O. O is also a point, right? All right, so P, N, T, S, R, M and point O. Now, so that was all about points. Now we'll look at line segment. So what is a line segment? Anything straight is a line segment, but it should end. It should not be infinite. It should end. So a scale, it ends, right? It starts from here, ends here. 2 points, 1 point, 2 point. When we connect 2 points, we get a line segment. So This is the starting point, this is the end point. We are connecting these with a line, straight line, so we get a line segment. Always remember, how is line different from a line segment? Line segment will always have a starting point and a ending point. A line segment has a start and an end. It cannot extend on both sides. Both these points are fixed. They are known as endpoints. Line segments also have a fixed measurement. The points are written in capital letters. So, for example here, draw line segment AB. So, this is line segment AB. Point A and point B are known as endpoints. ये वाला जो point है और ये वाला जो point है, इनको हम क्या बोलेंगे? End points. END end points. Now, there is a question. You have to draw a line segment RT of 3 centimeter. Come on, quickly do it. I'm giving you another 10 seconds here, or you can pause the video. All right, so how will you do it? You will make one point R, then you will take your scale, make a straight line of 3 centimeters, and wherever that 3 centimeter ends, there you will make another point and name it as T, and then you will have a line segment of 3 centimeter, right? Okay, so you want to see how to do it? All right, so this is one point, then I'll take a scale. Now I am not able to show you a scale, but you take a scale, draw a straight line. Okay, this is not a straight line. Let me see. Oh yeah. So then from this point, you make a straight line. This should be 3 centimeter. Okay. Then you make another point. So this was point R. This is point, yes, right, T. And then you write R and T. So then I'll finish with writing R, and here I will write T. So now I have the line segment ready. Yes? Very good. Let's move forward, and now you have to do it, right? Now you draw a line segment of PQ. And here we have not given you the centimeters, so you can choose the length. You can make 2 centimeter, 5, 10, anything. Come on. You can pause the video and make the line. So this is how it looks. This is a line P, the line segment PQ. Now, second question. Construct line segment AB of 4.2 centimeters. Now pause the video right now and make the line. Come on. Look, this is how it will look. This is A and B, which is of 4.2 centimeter. You have to make something like this. Now draw a line segment UT, then draw line segment TV. So now you have to draw 2 line segments, UT and then TV. Come on, pause the video. Draw. All right. So look, UT and then TV. We are just connecting. So you'll not make another point T, okay? So always, if in the same question it is given, so you have to draw 2 lines. One is UT and TV. Then you will not make 2 separate T. ऐसे नहीं करेंगे कि पहले UT बनाया फिर अलग से कहीं पे TV बनाया. Yes, we'll not do that. We'll do it continuously. Let's go forward. Naming line segments. How do we name line segments? बीच में we'll not name it. A. So if I'm talking about AD, then 2 points. हमेशा line segment में 2 ही points हो सकता है. So if I talk about line segment AD, then this is it. BC का कोई मतलब नहीं है. But if I say line segment AB, then I'm talking about this line. If I talk about BC, this line. If I talk about AC, this line. Up. In this, can you name all the line segments like that? How many line segments will there be? This is a puzzle now. So let's count, okay, together. A, B, A, C, A, D. These are AB1, AC2, AD3. Okay, keep the count. Huh? Now A we have done. Now let's do B. So BC 4, BD 5. Yeah. Now one last CD. That is 6. So total of 6 line segments. Yes. Easy to count. So start with A. Then go B, A, C, A, D. Now A के साथ सारे line हो गए. Now do with B. B के साथ B, C, B, D. तो ये point बचे हैं क्योंकि B, A तो already हो गया. A, B और B, A दोनों same है. So we'll not count that again. Now with C. C, D. क्योंकि C, B पहले ही हो गया BC में और C, A भी पहले ही हो गया AC में. तो दोबारा count नहीं करेंगे. So total we have 6 line segments. Now name the line segment. This you do it yourself. Come on, pause the video. Very good, and write all the names. So this is the answer. Line segment AC, AS, AB, then CS, CB, then SB. So total of again 6 line segments. Okay, here you again have to name all the line segments. Come on, pause the video. Now do it. Come on, if you have not paused it, pause it again. All right. I hope you're done by now. So let's see. Yeah, so we have line F, G, F, H. Yes, G, H, G, I, then H, I, H, J, and then I, J. Yes, go one by one. Go one by one. That will make it easy and you will not miss any line. So let's move forward. Now we have lines. Abhi we did line segment. So line segment and lines are similar, but there is a difference. So line segment ends. It has 2 end points. Yeah. So if I make like this, that's it. This is a line segment. It cannot go beyond this point. इस point के आगे इधर वो नहीं जा सकता है. ये मेरा line segment है. ये बस यहीं पे खत्म हो गया. इसकी फिक्स लेंथ होती है. बट लाइन का ऐसा नहीं है. लाइन कितना भी आगे जा सकता है दोनों तरफ. ये इधर से इधर भी जाएगा, इधर भी जाएगा. इट इज ऑफ इनफाइनाइट लेंथ. कोई भी आपको नहीं बोलेगा मेक अ लाइन ऑफ 5 सेंटीमीटर. नो, अगर कोई ऐसे बोल रहा है तो वो गलत बोल रहा है. व्हाट दे एक्चुअली मीन टू से इज मेक अ लाइन सेगमेंट ऑफ 5 सेंटीमीटर्स. यस, बिकॉज लाइन की कोई लेंथ नहीं होती. लाइन इनफाइनाइट लेंथ होती है. यस. सो मैं इसको 2 वे से नेम कर सकती हूँ. Either I can make 2 points. I can say line AB or I can say line M. मैंने पूरे लाइन को बोल दिया M. यहाँ पे मैंने कोई पॉइंट की हेल्प नहीं ली to name this line, but here I have taken help of 2 points, point A and point B, to name my line. Yeah, so there are 2 ways. All right, let's move forward. Lines have no endpoints, while line segment have 2 endpoints. Lines extend in both directions, while line segments have 2 fixed points. Line can't be measured. अगर वो infinite length का है तो आप उसको measure कैसे करोगे? Yes, look, these 2 arrows, what are they doing? They're going. They're telling you कि इस direction में जा रहा है, इस direction में जा रहा है. But line segment में ये end point है, यानी कि यहाँ पे ये खत्म हो रहा है. This is the end point. इसके end हो गया, इसके आगे नहीं होएगा. So this is the difference. Yeah. Constructing and naming lines. Construct line AB and construct line GH. तो मैंने 2 points बनाए AB, उनको connect कर दिया और arrow डाल दिया. arrow डालना मतलब ये line खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है, ये इधर जा रहा है. Similarly for GH. Now you have to name the following lines. So how do you name? ये line दिख रही है, यहाँ पे M लिखा है. So this is line M, this is line N, this is line L. Line A, line B, line L. या फिगर 1 में कौन कौन से हो गए? M and L. फिगर 2 में line A, line M and line B and line L. All right, moving forward, name the lines. Now this you have to do by yourself. So pause the video right now. Come on, go ahead, pause it. All right. Now do it. So here we have lines O, Q, R, T and PS. Yeah, 3 lines. All right. So now we have covered till now, we have covered point, we have covered line, segment, and we have covered line. Now we are gonna see ray. Ray क्या होता है? A ray has a fixed point on one side and extends on the other side. The fixed point is also known as the end point or origin. So, ray क्या होता है ना? Line segment क्या था? उसके two end points थे. Line का कोई भी end point नहीं था, but ray का एक end point होता है. And दूसरे डायरेक्शन में वो बस बढ़ता ही चला जाता है. Yes, so torch is an example for it. जो टॉर्च का हैंडल होता है जो आप पकड़ते हो वो उसका एंड पॉइंट या ओरिजिन हुआ. ओरिजिन मतलब स्टार्ट. सो एंड पॉइंट या ओरिजिन यानी कि स्टार्ट हुआ और ये हाँ ये फिक्स्ड है. यस, इसके पीछे तो नहीं जाती है ना लाइट, यहीं तो ये फिक्स्ड है, बट लाइट आगे जाती है. क्या वो रुकती है? नहीं रुकती है. अगर आगे पूरा खाली है तो वो जाती जाएगी. यस, सो दैट्स ए बी. उसको हम रे बोलते हैं. सो एक फिक्स पॉइंट है और एक साइड में एरो. कंस्ट्रक्टिंग रेज. अब हम रे कैसे कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं? हम एक पॉइंट बनाएंगे, हम दूसरा पॉइंट बनाएंगे, दोनों को कनेक्ट कर देंगे और जो दूसरा पॉइंट है उसको आगे एक्सटेंड करके एक एरो बना देंगे. यस, नाउ कंस्ट्रक्टिंग रे ए बी. दिस यू डू. पॉज द वीडियो. कम ऑन, पॉज इट एंड देन डू इट. चलो, रे ए, sorry, point A, point B. I've connected the 2 points and then A तो मेरा end point और origin हो गया और B यहाँ से मेरा एकदम infinite जा रहा है. Now here you have to name the rays. Come on, do it, do it. You can do this orally. Name the rays. Okay, now so the correct answer is B, A and D, E. There are only 2 rays here. अगर किसी ने B, C या C, D बोला है तो ये दोनों तो लाइन सेगमेंट है. क्यों? क्योंकि इन दोनों में 2 एंड पॉइंट्स हैं. रे में सिर्फ एक ही एंड पॉइंट होता है, एरो नहीं है. सो ये दोनों लाइन सेगमेंट. अगर ये दोनों आपने बोला तो गलत आंसर. यस, सो वी हैव ओनली 2 लाइन सेगमेंट्स हियर, B, A. सो सबसे पहले हम स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट या ओरिजिन बोलेंगे and then उसके बाद हम second बोलेंगे. So B, A and D, only 2. Yes. All right, class. This was it. Now, based on this, I'm gonna send you some homework. So make sure you finish the homework and submit it on time. All right.